Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Excellent Scratch Tutorials. My name is Suryansh Kushwaha and today we are going to review the brand new OS which was released by Microsoft not too long ago, Windows 11. Windows 11 is a new OS released by Microsoft I think in October 2021. As you can see, today is 30, which means 30th of December. So it was released not too long ago. I think around these dates, 20 to 24, I think it was released. So here it is, the brand new operating system, Windows 11. So first of all, I want to see what the new features are. So the first new feature is the brand new settings, taskbar settings. So here there are task view and widgets also. We are going to see them one by one. So this is the brand new Windows start menu. This start menu I do not like because there are too many apps and you are not able to arrange your apps very good. And I have been using this OS for like 2 months now, so I have deleted all of those apps which were just popping up here. So I do not like that. And another thing, that whenever oh no whenever I click on search, it just opens the old one. And if you remember this used to come in Windows 10 also. When I search on it, for example, I'm having AWS. So right now it is showing, but sometimes it shows the web result and does not show the real time my AWS things. It shows the web results. So there should be an option for web priority and app priority and document priority. Next is that the taskbar is bad. Why is it bad? Because what is the use of a center aligned taskbar if this thing is just full and this thing is also full? As you can see, I cannot click on it. I cannot right click on it. So there should be like only these things are in this way. Let me show you. For example, if I take a screenshot of this taken and now I open Paint. Why? Also, this is the brand new Paint and I also do not like this so much because it is hard to click on things. Everything is so small, but other than that it look good. And it should also have a dark mode because it looks bad without dark mode. It is going to burn our eyes. So for example, let me just paste it here we have it. And again, that problem, all of the pixels get big and it looks like it's just drawn badly. So instead of having this type of taskbar, for example, let me take its photo again. So instead of having this type of taskbar, which looks very bad, and not only looks bad, but it also takes the real estate property of our desktop screen. So all we can do is that you just cut this up from here, and just this part will be desktop and this part will be desktop also. So only this part is visible. I do not know if there is a third party app for this, but I do know that it will help a lot. It should look a lot like macOS. For example, if I go from no. So here's the net. So here, as you can see, it is not having these ends, these part. So it looks good and it also gives us a lot of space. And then we have got the brand new task view, which looks like this. And another thing, for example, if I open Chrome and open Paint, so while alt tabbing we used to see this, so now we see this like this. It is curved and you can also like close any app from here. And after that we have got task view where you can open a new desktop. I do not know what is the use of opening new desktop, but I do know that opening Chrome over here, no, not this. It just shows whatever. For example, I've opened Excel, PowerPoint, everything, it will show like that. Then we have widgets, and here it shows all of. There used to be a lot of these traffic, stock market, and things, but I only need tips, and I can know what is the new things happening in Windows, and the temperature. I also need to know the temperature. And then there's all of the news over here. All of the news, you can scroll up and down. And before it did not used to be infinite, but now it's infinite. Finally. Before it was not infinite. Also it appears in the side of the screen, so it does not take so much space, and you can click off. And then we have got chat, which I do not want to open at all, because I do not want to use chat. And then we have, I think that's all. And then we have the brand new File Explorer. I'll be showing in a while. Let's just revert the settings to how it was. Only want to see my I only want to see all these because I do not need to see any other of those. And then we have got File Explorer, the brand new File Explorer. The layout is the same, but the icons have changed a lot. Now it looks a lot cleaner, which is good. Everything looks more clean and nice. Then we have settings, our brand new settings menu. And then we have got one thing which I love the most, Windows Terminal. It will by default open PowerShell, but I do not know how to use PowerShell, that's why. No. So this is the brand new terminal. The good thing about this is that I can open multiple things at once. So this is our CMD. This will be, I think Microsoft might remove CMD, and this will be the only application with which we can run. And then we have got the default CMD at its place, being normal. And then we have got another feature, which is this, that we can, for this I'll have to open multiple things. Great. PowerPoint. So now I've opened multiple of these. So if I hover over this for long enough, it will just open this, where I can choose how I want to show my windows. This is useful. For example, I might be reading something from here and writing it down here and things like that. And then we have the new paint, which I told you before. And then we have got this, which is not good because there is everything new, but there's not like, when I click on show more options for these things like NVIDIA control panel and display settings, etc., then what happens is that it opens the again Windows 10. So I want that everything is in this one thing only. I do not have to right click, then click single click again to do this. And I think that's all in this. Oh yes, new tips app. Everything, and I also seen that in Windows 10. Wait a second. In Windows 10 we used to have everything like a square, and compared to Windows 7, no, yes, the older Windows 7 edition, as you can see, this is circular. See, this is circular, right? And if we go back to Windows 11, which we are using right now, again everything is getting circular. So As you can see, we went from we went from circular to square, back to circular. I don't know why Windows did this. Microsoft did this. And after that we have this, and it is again not square, but it is hovering above. Then we have this, which has been completely separated. Before it used to be in this only, but now you cannot put it back in. Then we have the keyboard layout, and we have this. It shows my everything, my battery, my brightness, my sound, my nightlight, Bluetooth, airplane, everything. Then we have this, the calendar. And also I wish that Microsoft showed seconds also here, but I cannot find that seconds option anywhere. So, and I think that's everything we see in Windows 11. There's nothing more new than that. The UI has been changed, and I think the Microsoft Store has also changed by a lot. Yes, the Microsoft Store has changed. Yes, the Microsoft Store has changed. The start menu UI, all the UI has changed. Most of the UI has changed. And we have got the brand new this, in which we can put our windows in one side. And we have the brand new terminal. So let's write everything down in notepad. So let's write the first thing which is new is huge UI changes. Second is new apps, terminal tips 2.0. I will call it tips 2.0 because in Windows 10 also there was a tips app. And then we have got new task. What is this? Task view. Yeah, task view widgets, except, and alt plus tab menu. And fourth we have got the Windows separator. I don't know what to call this. What is this? I do not know what is this, but yes, it is very useful feature. Windows separator, and I think that's all. So I think that's all for today, guys. Now I will see you in the next episode. And I have not been uploading for a long time, sorry. And also, happy early new year to everyone because it's 30 December. Bye.